Alright guys and gals, today we're going to show you how the Mars Hero F1 Hummer wireless microphone actually works. Let's just go ahead and get started. So you can see here, you've got your wireless microphone Lightning Type-C receiver, so this will not work unless you have the Type-C. Got your instructions there. See there's a little button on the mic. And how to use. Basically, you just plug it into the C port and then press the switch on the mic and it will pair and you're good to go. So let's try it out. So we've got our phone. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug this into the bottom of our phone. And you can see here, the light's flashing red. So we're going to take our mic, and there's the button right there. We're going to press the button on the back. You'll see the blue and the red. Now you wait for them to pair out. Now the blue and the red are solid, so you're paired and ready to go. So to turn it off, you go around to the back again. You hold that power button till the blue light flashes and it'll go out. The red light's flashing and you can just unplug it and you're all done.